Want to fully reset your HVR in seconds? Stay tuned till the end because missing the last crucial step could lock you out of your system. First, right-click anywhere on the screen and open Main Menu. Head over to System, select Maintain, and click on Restore. Here's the key. Select Factory Default, enter your admin password, and hit OK. Make sure to wait until the system fully reboots before turning it off, or you'll risk corrupting the firmware. That's it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.